Welcome back to the Oval Office in the White House. You've been a friend for a long time, a personal friend, and you know my commitment to Israel is ironclad, and we share a deep friendship. I want to thank you again for being here, and the floor is yours.
In the last 2 hours, 2 Israelis were murdered by rocket attacks from Lebanon in the northern town of Nahariya, a beautiful seashore town in the northern part of Israel. Early in the day, a kindergarten teacher of a kindergarten of special needs, children with special needs, rescued bravely and wisely the toddlers in the kindergarten from a drone attack. A drone exploded in the kindergarten. This is what we're going through from Lebanon, Mr. President, and you know it all too well. We are fighting hard. We're defending our people, our brave soldiers and pilots. And I know that you're working very hard to make sure that this war will end and that there will be first and foremost security for the people of Israel as well as for the people of Lebanon. It all starts in Tehran. It all starts in the Empire of Evil, where in Tehran, with its proxies, they are doing whatever they can to derail stability and security and peace, calling for the annihilation of the State of Israel and seeking nuclear weapons. And Mr. President, this has to be a major objective all throughout your term and the next term of the next president, because we have to make sure that they cannot fulfill their evil intentions. But most importantly, I'm here on behalf of the people of Israel and the nation of Israel and the State of Israel to say to you, Mr. President, thank you very much. As we say in Hebrew, Toda Rabba. You've been an incredible friend of Israel and the Jewish people for decades. And we will never forget, ever in history, how you stood up with us in our darkest hour, which became our finest hour, how you came to Israel a few days after the barbaric attack of October 7th, how you helped us and supported us with words and deeds. And I want to express our heartfelt thanks to you, Mr. President. You're clearly a Zionist, Mr. President.
Well, God love you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for being here, pal.
I had a very productive meeting with President Biden. President Biden and I held I see there's a whole rally here, so I can't compete with it, I guess. President Biden was very gracious, very open, very friendly, and we had an open and frank discussions. And the most important thing out of this discussion is, of course, the commitment of President Biden and the administration to work until January 20th, until the last minute, to achieve goals that are so important to peace and stability, and predominantly security and security of the State of Israel in the Middle East. First and foremost, there are various frontiers that we know. One is Lebanon, one is Gaza, of course Iran, and the entire effort of how to change the trajectory of the Middle East towards a better future. I thank the President wholeheartedly for his efforts, and I know that there is an in-depth commitment and effort to move forward, and I hope, sincerely hope, that we will see certain results in the foreseeable future, in the next few days, hopefully, in some of these efforts. So thank you all very much.